Hi guys. Okay, so Bitcoin started dropping today. I just want to show you my chart and kind of what I think is going on, and then also show you where our supports are and kind of what we can expect going further from here. So looking at the Bitcoin chart, this is the Bitstamp chart. I have a few different Bitcoin charts, but this one's the cleanest with the least fibs on there, so you can see it a little bit more clearly. So this is what I'm going to be using today. Keep in mind, all exchanges have slightly different targets. I know Qcoin is off by quite a bit right now, but the other ones like Binance and Coinbase and the bigger exchanges should have about the same target. So right now it looks like on this last drop here, it came down and bounced off of the same support that we've had for about a week or two now, which is at 45.8. And you can see the RSI here was turning a little bit bearish, but it bounced pretty hard. So for right now, this is still considered our wave B, and it did make a new low, so our wave B would start right here, and this would be the start of wave B and wave C going up further to 55.5 because it made a new low past this low here. So now if this does break down past here, what I want to do is I want to get our fibs for our support coming down. If this does break down here, it's no longer considered a wave B. What I think it would be is our wave 5 of wave A, which was down here. So I don't know if you follow me on Twitter, but I gave this update a little while ago about the possibility of this wick down here being our wave 3 of A, because essentially the longest candle or the longest wave like that is usually never the last. Bitcoin is notorious for making like a strong wave like that and then not finishing out or having a failed fifth. But right now, if it does come down, it would be our fifth wave of A. And I'm going to go the 4 hour and show you what I mean by that. Okay, so this right here I have labeled as this is our A right there, and going up for B. On Twitter, I said that it is still undecided whether or not this is our wave 4 of A or if we've already started our wave B. And it still really is undecided. It could still either go both ways, both ways right now. So what I'm going to do is if this does drop here, it is our fifth wave of A. So I want to get our support here coming down and show you where that is, and then also show you that our targets for B are still the same. So I'm going to go back into the 1 hour. And okay, so on here it looks like I already got a fib target. What it would be is 5 waves for A. And I'm going to show you how I get this one here. Now the 1618 is the fib target for wave 3. And but that wave 3 lands at a double bottom and also our larger 382 fib on the higher time frame fibs. So I think right there is going to be our support, and it's just going to stop there and bounce up. So I'm going to show you how I get this fib right here for our wave 3. And what it would be is our wave 4 up here. So this came very close to hitting the 382, which would be our target for this wave 4. So right after that would be our start of wave 5 down here. And so I'm going to show you this would be our wave 1. And coming up here would be our wave 2, and it hit the 786 fib, which is okay for our wave 2. And then so down here coming down and right now would be the start of our wave 3. So for our wave 3 target, we would grab the top of 1, the bottom of 1, and then where 2 went. And you can see that's how I got this fib down here, which lands at our larger time frame 382. So because that is just the wave 3 target, it's possible that we come down here, bounce, and then make a new low or double bottom again right on the same fib. But since this is hitting that strong support on the higher time frames, I think it's possible that we just come down and bounce right off of this level again. So this is the sub-wave 3 of our wave 5. Usually when wave 3 is extended like this, our wave 5 will only target the same size as wave 1. And so that we can back up and get that wave 1 target, and I've already done that. I just want to save us a little bit of time, but I've already done that, and that also lands at our double bottom here at 42.4, 42.5. So that's kind of what I'm expecting right now. If this 45.8 does break down, this is where we're looking at, which is going to be a double bottom. RSI is also looking bullish for the bounce there. For right now, on the higher time frames, it looks like we could come and touch back down to 45.8 again and bounce again, just because this RSI broke a little bit down. We did have a heavy bounce though. So yeah, so right now, like I said, if we break 45.8, then I think we can target a double bottom at 42.6 or 42.4, around there. And then if we bounce up from here, it would start a new 5 waves for our wave C of wave B, which should be about the same target. So this box here, I've already measured the size of wave A. So what I want to do is bring that to our new low that we just made today. And that, you can see here that lands right up at our 0.5 target for B. And so if it starts right here, it would still be okay for our wave C of wave B, and then back down again for our larger time frame wave C. So that is it for my Bitcoin update today, guys. If you like these videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates from Cassie and I. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.